10 kilometers to Rishikonda. क्या दिख रहा है भाई मेरे हाथ? जिम विम जाके मार का फाइट. Still a lot to work on though. Anyways, so we have all houses and function halls and blah blah blah. 10 kilometers of straight coastal road to get to Rishikonda beach, I guess. Tesla Consulting. Wow. Elon Musk इधर भी है. हाँ भाई ऐसी रॉन्ग साइड मार लेके आए थे. Wait a minute. Did they change the Hollywood sign again? Oh, gads! Kailasagiri. I don't know if you can see. Wait, we'll get to a clearer vantage point. Oh my God, that thing is so similar to that Hollywood sign symbol in. So apart from the electrical pole photobombing the symbol, I think that is the closest you can get to a Hollywood symbol in India. It looks remarkably similar to that. You know, if I post this photo online, people might say, you know, did they change the Hollywood sign again? Because apparently people were sabotaging the Hollywood sign in USA. And we are on the Marine Drive of Vizag. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take some circular hand shots. Man, this place reminds me a lot of a place called Al Shifa. I don't know if a lot of you NRIs watching my video. Taif के पास एक शिफा बोल के रहता था. Minus the beach. Oh, lovely. I don't have my gloves and jacket, so. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lovely road for a weekend run. जरा बहुत ओवर जंगली पने का भगा रहा हूँ मैं. I need to calm down a bit. ऐसा व्यू और ऐसी रोड है तो कौन नहीं भगाएंगे भाई. Have it ridden by a coast road more beautiful. I wonder what is going to happen to me when I go to Kerala. The coastal roads there are awesome, I heard. Whoa, 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 what is that? Upstairs, ISKCON temple. Still in a construction or what? Friends Dhaba. Over ho gaya ye. Something being built up here. I think this is a gated community or something of sorts. Those villas looks like one of that cottage from Alan Wake. I don't know if you guys know. There's a video game called Alan Wake. It's one of my most favorite horror thrilling games. I'm just loving this road. There if you go, you have AP Tourism ka guest house, and looking at the infrastructure here, I don't think AP Tourism restaurant is going to be anything less than a 5-star affair. So I just came up here on top of near Rishikonda beach. We have this AP Tourism ka resort. My friends are back there. So we are at this beautiful vantage point. As you can see, the beach is behind me. वो कौन सा? वो Rishikonda beach है? हाँ वही है. So just before Rishikonda, and we gonna eat something here. Basically have our lunch because breakfast का time तो निकल के ज़माना हो गया. अब lunch हो जाता है. And let me just show you the view behind me, with me in the frame, and now without me in the frame. So remember I was telling you about the waves of the east coast are way more violent than of the west coast. They are. It's not so visible around here, maybe because I don't know. But back at RK beach, they were very, very violent, even for calm weather. And you can see lots of greenery, lots and lots of greenery. This is the view at the AP Tourism guest house, and now I know the next time I come here, balls to Oyo, balls to booking.com, balls to everybody, I'm gonna book a room here in the Harita AP Tourism guest house. There's even a picture of water sports at Rishikonda beach पे पूरा वो jet ski भी है. Finding hard ground on the beach is also a pain to put your side stand on. धस के गिरेंगी तो नहीं ना? नहीं. So we just reached the beach, Rishikonda beach. It's that side. We don't want to go near the waves because the waves here are very, very strong. And I don't see any hippies or anything. It's mostly family crowd. Right there. Friends are walking behind me. Let's just go take a walk near the beach. Remember I told you guys that the waves here are relatively stronger than the west coast. They are, as you can see behind me. And most importantly, just 2 years back there was something. 2 साल हो गए Hudud आके. Hudud. So that's Hudud doesn't. It's not a song from Dabang. It was a tsunami. Hurricane. Cyclone. Which screwed up pretty much most of the city. That right there is the Harita Beach Resort by AP Tourism. Lovely, lovely. And this here is the beach. As you can see, the waves are not so calm. Mostly family crowd here, no hippies or bikini babes or something like that. So we're walking towards some stones there. I'm carrying my shorts and all, but I don't see a place to change. And if I get a speedboat, all 3 of us are gonna go in a speedboat. Somebody proposed somebody here, but I don't know if they got a nod of approval or no. So here we are at the Harita tourist thing. The rates are pretty cheap here, like 3-person speedboat for 3 persons is like $300, and single person jet ski is like $250, so that's pretty reasonable. If you go to Goa, they're gonna rip you off for all this. And he said it starts at 4:30 in the evening. As you can see, the waves are pretty. So for now we're gonna go to Kailashgiri, from where we'll get a good view of the entire city. And Raman Naidu Studio is also somewhere there. I'm not such a movie buff, so रामोजी फिल्म सिटीज नहीं गया मैं अब तक बैगन. फरस से इतनी दूर आके क्या तुक है रामन नायडू स्टूडियोज जाने का. AP Tourism FTW man. AP Tourism shacks, beach shacks. खत्म. Next time say I know where to book, where to come. Seriously, hats off, kudos to Andhra Pradesh government for making the infrastructure so amazing for this city. वाकई. U-turn from up ahead and we are going back towards RK Beach. I mean towards Rishikonda, and you can see the road. Wow, no words to describe. Anyhow, piche, like behind where we were coming from, like on the Bhimaram road, Bhimaram, whatever. There you have all these shrimp hatcheries and fish ka things. So you know that whole area was smelling like Bambal Machi. This beach, this road, this place. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can't even describe how beautiful. Cornering with a selfie stick in your hand, priceless. More than while going towards Rishikonda, it's more beautiful while coming back from Rishikonda. And I think this is the road to Kailashgiri. We're gonna start the climb now. It's beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful is an understatement actually. Seriously, big thanks to Destiny Rider. If this guy would have been here, I couldn't have discovered so much. Google पे किताल के पढ़ते भाई बेचारा पूरा बता के लेके फिर रहा. Really very sweet chap, very sweet chap. So we have a ticket to buy. That is, those are the rates. 2-wheelers का 20 रुपए, 4-wheelers small 50 rupees, Maruti 800 Indica, Wagoner, Alto, and 4-wheelers big sumo jeep. I wonder what a V40 Polestar or a Mini Cooper would count under. Small or big? Size में तो जोड़नी रहती ना भाई. क्या categorization है. So Kailashgiri hill climb begins. कितना खूबसूरत है भाई अपना इंडिया बैगन. क्या ये couple spot? So I didn't notice that, but apparently this is the couple spot for Vizag people. Oh guards! Whoa! Let's just go up top and see the view. Cable car goes from here down there. No cable car antics for me. वो छोटी है cable car, so we thought we'd rather go up by road and you know. Okay. them bikes and can you guys see that? So I'm on top of Kailashgiri viewpoint. So we just came from that side, Rishikonda and all. The main city is that side. So we'll go to one more vantage point and see how it looks. But from here it looks like this. That is the sea as far as the eye can see. Yep. Fog की वजह से कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा बड़ी अब. Doppler weather radar station. So this is where they monitor the weather, I guess. If there is a upcoming hurricane, tsunami or something. So this spherical thing, I read about it in National Geography. That thing detects, it sends waves, and according to the timing of when the waves come back, it detects and predicts a storm or something. So you're walking inside Kailashgiri. There's a train kind of thing here with the DDLJ theme. Pretty hilarious, I'd say. And lots of food stalls and all that. So it's basically a park, Kailashgiri Park. Quite big and a lot of rides here, but I don't think I'll be covering all of it today. Horse rides, mug photo printing booths. This place is interesting, man. Arey bhai, baitho aap baitho. अन्ना पे नको नको अन्ना मन नको लियो इधर आ जाओ वीडियो में आ जाता देखो 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 वीडियो में आ जाता. We're gonna have juice here, and as you can see, I am sweating horribly. And they say the आज धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है नहीं, सही भी ज़्यादा है. Yeah, and the thing with Vizag is it's very humid, so if it's hot, this is what you end up with, highly sweaty face. So we're gonna have some juice here at क्या नाम है कोई आपके शॉप का नाम? मशहूर तो आइसक्रीम का ब्रांड है जी. Jock and Jill. Jock and Jill. Jock and Jill. So we are at Jock and Jill juice का place here. Juices, milkshakes and all. We're gonna have some juice and then proceed back or chill here and see what we can do. हालत खराब हो रही है आखिरी. Who says India and China don't get along? Here you have chicken fried rice, which I'm having, and dahi ki chutney. So dahi ki chutney and chicken fried rice, proper fusion of India and China. So back there is Shivji and Parvati ka statue, which is the main attraction here in Kailashgiri. So we're gonna probably climb and go there, click some pictures and then head back. Crazy kaman hai mere piche. Kailashgiri ki entry ki kaman hai wo. There is a monkey hanging over there. Oh, look at the intricate artwork. There is a artificial monkey hanging around from there. Unofficial viewpoint. We saw a car go by here, so I think it is perfectly legal. So we're just gonna go, probably click some pictures, take a leak, and then head back to the city. Oh guys, this is the Hollywood sign from earlier. Lovely. So this is that sign we saw from inside the city. So, guessing we're very, very high up. So this is again another lover spot inside. Apparently cops don't come here, and couples come here and do their thing, like the chilling. One couple is chilling there. That's okay. I shouldn't be invading someone else's privacy, but just saying. बाकी किरकिरी हैदराबाद छोड़ के हर जगह खुल्ला है शॉट. बैगन ऐसे चीज़ें देखे तो फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन याद आता मेरे को. This road is just beautiful. The Marine Drive of Vizag. Anyhows, so we are heading towards the city now. I'll go to the hotel room, freshen up, then again proceed on to Sunray Village Resorts, where my friends are staying. We're going somewhere towards the inside of Vizag to a coffee shop called Moksha, where we'll have some coffee. What the?
Be the last motherfucking breed. Stressed, bust the freak. Enemies give me reason to be the last motherfucker breed. Bust my automatic rounds, catch them while they sleeping. Now
1 hour later.
So I'm on my way to the Sunray Village Resort. It's on this Bhubaneswar highway. 30 kilometers on the highway, 30-40 kilometers from the city. I think I should be there in another 15-20 minutes. Just entered Sunray Resort. It's like 40 kilometers on the highway and already Dubai Palm Jumeirah type feel hai idhar pura. So I said third right. This is where all the bikes are parked. Charan bhai ki gaadi ka baaz डालेंगे. Sunray Village Resort, and this is Sunray beachfront. So they parked the bikes there, and this is basically a private beach where they all are chilling. Charan told me to come here. I just love my bike for this reason. It's practical, it's not so expensive to maintain, it's powerful enough, more than enough actually for highways, can handle a little bit of bad roads. Basically an all-rounder. Just reached Sunray Beach Resort where everyone is, and because it's evening we're just packing up, heading back to Sunray Village Resort. They're all sitting here chilling. Bhai zara haath batana tha kuch to bhi. So everyone's in a holiday mood. जबरदस्त बैकग्राउंड
NYPD, NYPD. When that's on, that's who you get, huh? NYPD, LAPD, NYPD. That's your motherfucking clique, huh? NYPD, LAPD, NYPD. You a motherfucking snitch, huh? NYPD.
Damn. Leaving Sunray and going back to my hotel room, and such is the weather. Fuck man, there's literally like zero visibility. 6:40. It's not so cold. It is cold of course, but not that cold. And there is literally, I don't know how clear the camera lens is. You can see the visibility is fuck all. Can't cross 60.